Hi guys, welcome back again. This is Mont, your trusted real estate broker. For today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa Ridgeview Estates, Nuvali, no? Ipapakita ko sa inyo itong bahay na to sa Ridgeview Estates, Nuvali. This is for sale for 15 million pesos. Negotiable. Okay? Samahan niyo po ako. Alright, this is the house in Ridgeview Estates, Nuvali. Ayan siya. Chloe house model. The lot area is 176 square meters and floor area is 114 square meters. Okay, the entrance, this is the main door. Yan. Pagpasok mo sa entrance, the living area. So, ito. May sofa, kasama na yung sofa. Yan, cabinet. Yung mga laman dito. Ayan. And then, itong dining area. Kasama na yung tables, chairs, yung mga gamit kasama na. Yeah, this is 15 million pesos by the way. Yung price nito, selling price is 15 million pesos. Slightly negotiable. Ayan. So yung kitchen niya, may induction cooker to. Ayan, induction cooker. And then, may gas din. May gas range siya. And range hood. May mga range hood na to. Cabinet, hanging cabinets. So, ayan. And then dito, merong powder room. Yes, powder room ito. 3 bedrooms pala to. Ayan. And then ref, may oven, may microwave, ayan, may cabinets, and then you have here maid's room. Ito yung maid's room niya. And maid's room, and then access here. May access ka sa likod. Ito yung backyard niya. Ayan. Yan. And then here yung lagayan ng gas. Sarado lang to. Yan. Parang sampayan, laundry. Yan. Okay, balik tayo sa loob. Yan. Sa taas naman, akyat tayo sa taas. Sa second floor. This is the second floor. Ayan yung bedroom. Ang master's bedroom nito is yes, this is the master's bedroom. Wala lang siyang toilet and bath. Pero this is the master bedroom. May access to the balcony. Yan. Yan yung access niya to balcony. Hindi lang mabuksan. Ayan. And then the other bedrooms. Ito yung bedroom 1. Isang bedroom dito. May aircon. Ayan. Wala na lang nakatira dito bahay na to kaya medyo ano na, madumi. Oo. But still livable. So this is the second bedroom. Ayan siya. Yung likod niya. Ayan. Yan. So if you're interested to invest this house, to purchase this house, yeah, call me at my mobile number po. Okay. All right. If you guys are interested to purchase this house, magandang bahay to dito sa Ridgeview Estates, New Valley. Oo. Ang lot area nito is 176 square meters and floor area of 114 square meters. So the price is only 15 million pesos negotiable. Okay? Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. If you guys are interested sa house na to, please call me at my mobile number. Nandito lang. Oo. Okay? You can reach me through Viber, WhatsApp, email address. Okay? Contact nyo lang po ako. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.